You think I'm pretty? I'm sure you think I'm pretty, don't you? Do you think I'm pretty? 'Cause I do. Hello everyone, it's Miss Solis and today we are going to become a burn victim. So this look is basically I went on a nice outing out at the club and the club burnt down and I got a little scorched on one side. Oh well, I'm still beautiful, right? Anyways, so I'm going to show you how to make this very simple, very easy look. You can do it any way you want. It doesn't have to be half-faced. It can be a patch of something here and there, but this is the basic idea of how to make it so you can make it on your own. So let's get to it. So I already did part of the makeup. So I did a basic night out type of makeup, very neutral, purpley. I like it. The other side will become very creepy. So it's already clean, it's already ready to go. So all I have to do is start doing it. So let's get going. So first you'll need liquid latex. Find a sponge and start applying to the area that you want to create a burn on. Once that is applied, take some tools to start creating that scorched, pulled skin look. Now that that is applied, we are going to start working on the delicate areas, the nose, the eyes, and the neck. Now that we have all of our skin pulled away, we are going to take base makeup, which is going to be black, and a purpley red, which will make a great bottom coat for the first layer. So the best way to do the black is basically smear it around. You want to look charred and it doesn't have to look perfect. It can look streaky because, again, you've been completely burned. The deep red will be great for the underlying bloodied, charred very irritated skin that is underneath the burn. I have used a sponge for this because that was the easiest way to apply. Now that we have the initial base down of our burned look, we are going to once again apply the liquid latex. Liquid latex usually dries unless otherwise specified clear. This will also give us our basically our Freddy Krueger look, and we are going to do a top. So we have our bottom coat done, now we're going to do our top. Now that we have applied the liquid latex, we're going to start pulling away the skin to get that charred, nasty, bubbled look. So now that we have our Freddy Krueger look, we are actually going to dip into our palette once again, and we are going to use our top coat of red. Now this red will give us the 100% burned look. It'll complete it, and this is an easier way of doing it instead of one go and trying to mix. It is a lot easier. I have found this way, and it's the simplest as well, taking only 30 minutes instead of a good hour. And if you are allergic to liquid latex, you can also use fake skin, in which you basically just do very similar method, but the liquid latex is a lot easier to get this and achieve this look. Now that we have applied all of that and we have our look, and it looks fabulous, of course, we're going to put in some blood, because you know me by this point, I love fake blood. So we're going to be using the bloody scab, and in these open wounds, basically, where there's a lot of open skin, we're going to apply the blood because it'll make it just that much better, because it looked like these open wounds were boils that had formed on skin and popped. And there you have it, our completed burned victim look. Well guys, that's how you do a basic burn look. And the contacts I got from Vamp Fangs. They are here in the US, really awesome. And yeah, they can do prescription, which I do prescription, and they actually work really wonderfully. These are my first contacts I've ever had, and I absolutely love them. And as well, for those who don't like fake nails, I actually have fake nail gloves on. See? So it's a lot easier if you want to just wear them for a couple hours instead of a couple weeks to a couple months, you know. So this is how you do a basic burn victim. So I hope you guys like this, and until next time of whatever I make, have a great day and a beautiful life. Bye!